Hey guys, Jamey Jordan here, and today I want to take a second and talk to you just a little bit about our tables that we offer on our machines. This is our universal table. It'll work on our 24 as well as our 36. And as you get more and more involved in your bead rolling, you're gonna wanna start looking at a table. Now, the key features in this table is the dies are just a little bit higher than the table, and it's gonna allow you to stick your hands underneath the metal and guide it as it goes through the die. Also allowing these dies to do exactly what they're supposed to do, which is stay vertical. Now, the other neat feature is this back edge back here. So when you're running these panels, running them through, you don't want it to tilt one way or the other. This straight edge will allow you to be able to taper right off the end of that and keeping everything nice and straight. Say, hey, I don't want a table on there all the time. Not a problem. Pull the pin, drops right out of the way, put the pin back in, you're good to go. As you get more serious about your bead rolling, I would definitely consider getting yourself a table.